Muraho, nitwa Denise Umuneza. My name is Denise Umuneza. I'm a Kinyarwanda teacher. I'm here to explain my lessons. This is a book I have for level 1. So I have been explaining that I teach Kinyarwanda and I do all levels. So today I want to explain level 1 and what do you learn in level 1. Most people, when they just contact me, they ask me like what to learn in level 1 and what to expect, and at the end of the book, like what level will you be. So I want to explain what I teach in level 1. So as you see, this is a small book, 20 hours, and that means there will be 20 lessons. So in those 20 lessons, I'm going just to summarize them. So we have 4 units in this book that we do in all those 20 lessons. So the 4 units we have greetings and introduction to the language, and introduction as like someone introduce themselves, and greetings, some phrases, some useful phrases. So most of the things that you need for like starting a small conversation. That is unit 1. And unit 2 is about transportation, asking and giving directions. So that means in unit 2, you're going to learn how to use some phrases when you want to take a transportation, when you go to places. So that means that when you do unit 2, you will be able to move around without any other help. So you can just use the language that you have learned. Then we have unit 3, which covers numbers, telling the time, telling the days, the months, and this is also very useful because most of the time when you are going to market, for example, you need numbers. When you take transportation, you need to ask how much. So in this unit, we discuss about the prices and how to negotiate the prices and how to ask for prices and telling the numbers. And we also learn how to use those days, months, and how to make appointment in Kinyarwanda when you want to meet people. And then the last unit is about food and drinks, the most important part. So that means in that part you learn food, like vocabulary, but also you learn phrases that you need when you go to the market, how you ask about different stuff when you want to buy them. And also you need to learn how to use some words when you go to the restaurant. That means like here you cover restaurant and market. And then at the end of the book, you do exam. You have to do the test, which will give you the idea like about what level you have after the end of the book. But the expectation is to be on the basic level. So that means like this is a beginner level. When you finish, you have basic level of Kinyarwanda. That means basic level means you are able to communicate in Kinyarwanda. You are able to talk to people, you're able to have a conversation, just a very short conversation, and you're able to ask questions, you're able to answer questions, very simple questions about the thing that we have said that we cover in this book. So that means really I can, as the book says, conversational Kinyarwanda. So that means when you really finish this book, you're able to start conversation in Kinyarwanda. That is book 1. And then I will explain another book that we have, because we have 4 levels, as I said. That means this is only level 1, which takes 20 hours, or you can say 20 lessons, and one lesson is 1 hour. So that means you're going to learn 20 lessons in 20 hours. Thank you. Bye.